Hi everyone, and welcome back to Cheryl's Glam Home. Today I'm excited to share another DIY glam project. I'm taking an existing table and giving it a glam makeover. I hope you enjoy. I've had this little dresser table for quite a few years now. It was originally cream and I gave it a makeover about 2 years ago and made it silver and blue for the room that it was in. But I've decided today that I want to upgrade it and give it a little bit of a Dalmatian print makeover. I started by removing the drawers and I gave it a light sanding off camera, and it was now time to paint. Taking my favourite blush pink colour by Dulux, I painted the entire dresser pink. After giving it about 3 coats, I let it dry and then it was time to use the wallpaper. I picked up a roll of my favourite Dalmatian print wallpaper from my local Etsy store. I decided that I would use this for the top of the dresser. I cut a piece to size, and then because it was a peel and stick type wallpaper, it was really simple to use, guys. No glue involved, just peel away and stick to your surface. Using an old credit card, I peeled away and smoothed out any air bubbles, and then I also picked up my little knife and trimmed off the excess where needed. I then removed the hardware off the drawers and I took them outside and spray painted them my favourite gold spray paint. I then measured up the drawers and I cut a piece of the wallpaper for each front of the drawer. Once the hardware was dry, I then added it to the front of the drawers. And here is my completed little table. Guys, I'm so happy with how this came. This was so much fun to transform. Just by shopping my home, I knew that I could create a new look for it, and I really love the look of the Dalmatian print fabric at the moment. So I also took a couple of little canvases that I already had, and I covered them with the remaining leftover wallpaper. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon, guys, with more videos for you. So until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.